I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about an important data type, Python data type called a dictionary. Okay, so we can discuss about what is a dictionary and how can we use that, how can we fetch the keys from a dictionary and how can we fetch the values from dictionary, and different kind of a CRUD operations we can discuss. Okay, so guys, let's start. Okay, so what is a dictionary? A dictionaries are unordered mapping for storing object. So here we are using the curly bracket to represent the dictionary. Okay, so also like we are saving the values as a key value pair. Okay, so it is very easy to fetch the value. Okay, we just need to give the key, then we will get the value. Okay, consider the list. Okay, in the list what we need to we need the index location, right? We have to remember the index location to get some values, right? Here we don't need to remember anything about the index location, we just need to remember about the key. Okay, so let's see how can we represent a dictionary. So dictionary, as discussed, dictionary can be represented as a within a curly bracket. Okay, so just type here, type this curly bracket. So this is type return as a dictionary. Okay, so here as we discussed, we can represent this as a key. Okay, we can say that key 1 and we can have a value 1. Okay, we can represent it as a value 1. Okay, so this will be just run this. Okay, so this, okay, sorry, okay, so this is how we represent how we create a dictionary. We have a key and we have a value we have to mention, and we can in between we have to mention the colon here. Okay, so keys can be anything. So keys like it should be like hashable value, the hashable type. Okay, for example, we can use it as a string and that is immutable, right? And we can represent it as a number can be also used for the key, but like list cannot be used as a key because like list is like mutable, right? So that's why we have to use the immutable types to represent a key. Okay, so there are different ways we can represent the dictionary. Okay, so one is like, let me write it here. We can write it like dictionary. Within dictionary we can say 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 2, and comma, and 3 equal to 3. Okay, this is one way of representing dictionary. So I can just print it here. Okay, let me add more cells. I can check the type of a, okay, this is dictionary. Okay, now another way of representing the dictionary is that we can have the within a curly bracket we can say that 1. Okay, here I can say 1 and here I can say 2. Okay, this is one way of representing 3. Okay, this is one way of representing dictionary. See, both are same, right? I can here also I can check the type of B. Okay, which will return the dictionary. Okay, now there is another way of representing dictionary is that, okay, we can have the dictionary, then we can have a zip function. Okay, within a zip function I can have a 2 list. Okay, I can have 2 list. One is for the keys. I can here there is 1 and here we have 2 and here we have 3. Okay, here I can represent 1, I can represent 2 and I can represent 3. Just write it here. Okay, this will give us 1, 2 and 3. Actually this if function will return a tuple and the tuple will be converted into the dictionary. Okay, now there is like another way. So that is like we can represent it as a tuple, list of tuples here. Here we can have 1. Okay, it's good to know like all the methods. Like in some scenarios we have to use like any one of these methods. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, okay, 3. So this is I believe I can print it. Yes. Okay, you can check the type of one. Okay, this is the D. I mean this is the one way of representing. Okay, so I will show you like 2 more types. Okay, so then another way is like we can have a dictionary Okay, here we can represent like in different methods. Okay, I can have a dictionary. Within dictionary I can have this particular thing. Okay, I can within dictionary I am just copy paste from the previous one. Okay, so this is one way of representing this. I can check the type. Okay, type is dict. Okay, now we can combine few things. Okay, so for that let me have this dict. Okay, then we can have one here and we can two here. Okay, then I can say 3 like this. Okay, F, then type of F. Okay, so this is also represented as a dictionary. So these are the different ways that we can create a dictionary. Okay, now we can see like how can we get some values from a dictionary. So take the first dictionary A. Okay, so I need to get the value, right, 1. So here I can write 1. Okay, this will return a dictionary 1. Okay, so consider like if like I have selected like 4, right? So what will happen? This will return an error. Okay, it's return a key error because this key does not exist here, right? So what we need to do, we can use the get method. Okay, and here I can write 4. Then in a get method I can represent what will be the default value. Okay, if 4 is not there, what should be the default value? Here I am just giving the empty thing. Okay, so when I call this 4, it will give a empty string here. Maybe I can give 4 is not available, just to show, right? Since 4 is not there, it will give us some default value. So this will help us like when we do like programming, right? So if we are not sure the key is there or not, we can use this get method. So this will save us from the throwing some unwanted exceptions. Okay, now another thing we can look like how can we get the items from this data. So I can use, there are different methods. So these are the items. Using these items we will retrieve the key value pairs, right? Now if you want to get only keys, okay, I can use the method, I can use the method a.keys. So this will return only the keys from the dictionary. Similar to that we have values, right? So this will return the values only from the dictionary. Okay, now there is another method that called the pop function. Okay, this pop is like very famous, right? Okay, this pop we have to give one parameter. So if you want to pop, for example, I have to pass one key here 2. So this will pop the value from here. Okay, from this dictionary. So we can print A. See, when you print A, the 2 is not there. Okay, it is popped from the dictionary. So if you want to pop an item, okay, so here I can type like pop items. I can use pop items. Here I can use pop items. This will return the last item from the list. Okay, dictionary. Now print A. See, currently we have only one item, right? Rest of things are popped from the dictionary. Okay, so this is these are the some operation. Now we can see, we can take another example. Just type E. Okay, now list of E. Okay, this list of E will return the keys from the dictionary if you use the list keyword. I can also use like sorted E. Okay, this will sort the keys. Also, like I can check length of E. Believe it is len. Okay, length of E. This will return the length of the key value pairs. Okay. So there is another method that is reversed. I can give reversed. Okay, so this to make it list. Okay, reversed list. This will reverse the key values. There are like a lot of small supporting methods are there. Very easy to use. Okay, so now let me show you like one more thing. Let me type F. Okay, so if you want to check some keys are there, okay, some keys are there in the dictionary, what we can use in method. Okay, so for example, I can type 1 in F, this will return true. Okay, if I say 4 in F, this will return false, right? So this is also one scenario where, like, if you try to fetch some data, okay, we can check that the key is there, exist in the dictionary, then only we need to do the particular operation with respect to that key. Okay, and so we have discussed about all those things. Okay, now I will add one more thing. This is F, right? So if you want to add something to the dictionary, I can have like I can just say, okay, 4 equal to 4. Okay, now just print the F. So this will print the value. So if I want to update it, okay, if you want to update it, just type here. I can say it is 5, right? Then just print F. The values changed. Okay, now let me set back it to 4. Let me add more cells. So if you print F, this will be 4. Okay, now see, like, if you want to delete something from the dictionary, how can we do that? So we discussed about pop and all those things, but if you want to delete something, we can check F of 4. Okay, now just print F. So see, this is deleted from the dictionary. So if you want to delete the entire dictionary, okay, just click on del F. Okay, now try to print F. See, then F is not defined. It is actually deleted from the, I mean, it is the entire dictionary is deleted. Okay, so that is all about dictionary. So these are the, I believe I try to explain about the dictionary and its basic operation, all those things. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.